Okay, so today thought I'd plant up these. Got some different Nerines, Undulata crispa, which you can see is a pink one, and Astaria, which is a white blush pink. So Nerines can be planted in the autumn or the springtime, or early spring. So if you've bought them in the autumn, much like I have, and you haven't got around to planting them, don't worry too much. You've got plenty of time. You've still got well, till the end of sort of March to get that done. So anyway, I thought I'd plant them into a container, and first thing we've got to do for that is fill the bottom with some drainage material. I've got plenty of old bricks and whatnot anyway, and bits of concrete, so we just add that in. So Nerines want to be in a nice bright sunny position. They like it free draining, and they also like being fairly root bound. So just use some compost. It's a bit of, well, oldish compost, left over from last month from other plantings that I've done. So get that done, try and get it finished before chucks it down with rain. Just use secateurs to cut open the bag. This is quite nice stuff actually. So it's just a multi-purpose compost here. Fill that up. Right. So now we'll open these. So these bulbs, the growers of these are Taylor's Bulbs, which is a nice company based in Spalding. So you only get a couple of bulbs of each, but that would be more than enough for this container. As I say, that they like being fairly pot bound. Good thing with this plastic is it is recyclable type as well. See, this has got some little plantlets that have formed already, which is quite nice. So it doesn't really matter how we do it. And when you're planting them, what you want to do is set them out, and you'll be filling it with the compost so that the compost comes level with the neck of the bulb. Let's just do that. Yeah, so we'll fill it so it's level with the neck, which just above the neck, and that will leave a bit of space to the top, which will act as our reservoir for when we come to do our watering during the sort of summer autumn months. As I say, Nerines flower in the autumn. They do like a dry period. The dry period is always in the summer, so although you want to give them a bit of water in the summer, don't give them a lot. And then once you see the shoots coming up for the flower formation, that's when you start giving them more water and more feed. So for the time being, as I say, we're just using the multi-purpose compost. You won't need to put down an additional feed because the compost's already got feed in. Give it a slight firm down, a touch more, not a lot, as I say, because you want to have the necks of the bulbs just sort of level really. And that is that done. And say, always try and put in a little, keep my labels just so then you know what's in the pot for a little bit later in the season. And job done. Nice and simple, easy, Quick, took all of about 3 minutes to do, and that would give us masses of flower for the late summer, well early autumn time. Nice and tough, and can't go wrong with Nerines.